girls kicking your ass, man.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. Freaking insane, smashing. Is that gonna be a sub 7? Come on.
Oh, did you? There you go.
Oh, there you go. Wow. Well, good job.
I'll go home.
Yeah, go home, go away. Yeah. This is not the most impressive feature of today. It's actually, well, first of all, we have Lancer Evo 5 over here that we just drove, followed by Lapo and Chris Slick's GT2 CS. Yeah, so it's basically Turbo S, restored, rebuilt, more on that. He's hiding in corner of shame because his girlfriend is faster than him. And then we met this Audi from hell that you may remember 2 years ago, I think, when I was driving a Subaru STI, and we were following it and we're like, what the hell is inside it? Who is driving this? And now we found it again. And I was actually super upset that it took you so long to go through the barriers and I missed him. And then we found him halfway through the lap and it was like, the internet will decide in the comments and by the views if this was not one of the sickest lap. And we're about to jump into this in one of the upcoming videos. But first, of course, the main hero of today. First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity, because Evos for me is one of the best cars, and I think also for real petrol heads. In this case, it's a 5. For me, the 6 is the best body shape of all the Evos. But what's the difference between the 5 and the 6?
Just bumpers, rear spoiler. I think the suspension arms are alloy on the 6, but which this has got. So other than that, different cooling slightly.
But this one is actually very well sorted. So it has 600 horsepower underneath. I think we can believe that number, but more impressively, we were having full lap, full fun, up until the point that I realized that the internal camera was not recording for some reason, that I forgot to turn it on. I also forgot to turn on the draggy, because at the start of the season I forgot how to create content. So we had to slow down a bit to turn all these things on. But then it was full uphill climb, full send, pedal to the metal, no cooling problems. So whoever done the build, done
CVP in the UK.
Very good job, because quite often even like a slight remap and the cars go like, can we see under the bonnet what's in there? So other than that, yeah, we are in Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires, or Pilot Sport 5, bigger brakes. With the S2500 brake pads, the one that I dislike the most, but it's a street car. So the main important thing is that it has bigger caliper system, so there was no brake fading, just not the ultimate brake performance that you could have wished on the track. It's on nitrons.
Yeah,
R1s. But it is rubbing slightly on the...
It's got the softest road springs. Car.
Okay. But yeah, the hero is underneath. The big boosty boy that creates lots of noise, some spaghetti happening over here with proper precision wastegate. Yep, and yeah, what's done to achieve all these numbers?
This is a 2.2, 270 degree cams, a Norris Designs full frame turbo with a Precision 5858, Magnus inlet manifold, S90 throttle body, bit of headwork.
What ECU are you on?
Link.
Okay.
Enough fuel to go in. There's 1050 ID injectors, hard wide fuel pump inside.
It's really good. It's really good. Again, I'm super impressed that this car managed to do a full lap under full boost, full send. So again, great testimony to the builder. Again, it is a road car, so some things are not that great for the track, like the brake pads, and it's rubbing a bit because of the soft suspension settings, but I think it was still phenomenal. So, any other mods we should mention, or?
Twin plate clutch, standard transmission, RS rear diff.
Nice, fantastic, absolutely phenomenal. So thanks again, once again, it was super cool. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, watching as much as I'm gonna enjoy watching it back, and you as well. You guys watch this, and yeah, I guess maybe tomorrow we're gonna feature this, because I'm about to jump into this. Let's go. All right, welcome aboard. Some interesting facts. In front of me is, I think, a very fast Audi S4 from a video a few years ago, and that could be interesting. And behind me it was GT2 RS that's somewhere stuck with Lapo and Chris Slicks in it. It's also the first, yeah, I think that's the S4 that's sending the hell? Man, you just realized that one camera was not recording. That's so frustrating. How? Well, I guess it's the beginning of the season and I forgot, didn't know. Man. Alright, well, let's try to put the glove back on. Sad. Oh, this is what it is. Fast 24/7 performance car behind us. Christian? At least I'm gonna assume it's Christian. Those rubbings are not good. Your tire. Ah! I was on the edge of what the car can do. You see, that's how friends are repaying you. I was waiting for him while I could have followed the S4 and he's moving away from me. Oh, there's the S4. Tire marks. That's so cool. And he's probably with 5 people in the car like last time. Come on! Woo! Holy fuck!
Oh, the fucking Audi. Fuck me.
That guy can pedal. That's like proper, like best motoring, like the old school 90s. Come on. Those tire rubs do not allow me to go fast in the corners. This guy has earned a lot of thumbs up. Again, that guy. Alright, they didn't have 5 people in the car, but still, that Flansgarden sideways jump landing not overcorrection, but correction, my god. That's something special. Wow. We meet again, and I'm happy that the camera at least recorded second half of the lap, at least I assume so. I don't know what happened, why I forgot to press record. Did I record everything else? Yeah, we're good here. So like, dude. Holy shite. I don't know what else to say. I mean, okay, about the car. Power, you do not need more. This is like all you need. Great build, because at least according to the temperature gauge, we're not hot, and it was like not running low on power. Even like a climb, it survived fully. So whoever did the build or calibration, mapping, cooling, good job. Unfortunately, handling wise, it is the rubbing really, here again, the rubbing really prevented me. Yeah, he wants to go say hello, I think. So I hope he gets the message. Oh, let's see what's underneath the S4. I want to go with him on the passenger seat. Ah! Really, so cool. Yeah, the handling, the rubbing prevented me from exploiting the potential of the chassis. So I would really like avoid the rubbing on the car. Kommst du mit? Ich möchte gerne bei dir als Beifahrer gehen. Ja. I'm too excited about the Audi that after like I think 2 years we found it, and maybe we're gonna go for a lap now. But yeah, build is great. Stickier tires would have been preferred, slightly grippier brake pads, so not the S2500, and no rubbing, so you could really send it, and lowered seats. But we need to keep in mind that it's a daily car, road car, but still it rubs a bit, so that I would like to avoid. And yeah, maybe for comfort, still a bit lowered seats, but who knows, who cares. Loved it, and the lap was phenomenal. Thanks to the S4, thanks to the also Lapo and Chris Slicks and me, even though I messed it up and didn't record with the interior camera for the first half, whatever.